ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konra kongkol sangma kaga khandai trik naitung aja phusau ulit ho ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act la Treikam hakikat tu kan ni benta jaga sor chulong hakabara batha ikidor bashna mun pendrung kerteng badalo kata la tharu iki committee Hagajin kran bikla bathai ku bor usangma ulit ho badangshan hagajin le jong u Delhi ule kenduru yu menteri ketna kampo yeng Amit Shah Padu Sekretari Ketna Kampo Yeng ban pinsngo holo ke jindawa jong Jylla Meghalaya. Jika inline permit ke jimpendrung ke ketien khasi bergaro hal kernut bapra bade ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act hak bala pentip bagi sarkar pedeng kadang bisyarya ke kam. Shushu le thoro bakiwe ke Jylla ke biyo ke inline permit kimdan satya ke six schedule ke balong ke Jylla Meghalaya ke badan ru wadi ke wipat ke an berking.
In fact, this time also when I went to Delhi, I have raised the issue of the 8th schedule, I have raised the issue of ILP and the issue of MRSSA with the Honorable Home Minister and with the Home Secretary, and we have discussed this matter. So it's not a no, but it's not as yet confirmed, and they are still examining the matter. See that, of course, we have also asked for clarification from Centre, but more importantly, the provisions that are there to protect the indigenous rights of the local people. In many ways, many rules and many acts and provisions are there. And some of them are existing in our state, like for example, the 6th schedule and the other acts like our own Land Transfer Act and all these. But in other states, especially when the CAA had come out, there are other areas like Arunachal Pradesh. They do not have provision 6th schedule, and hence there was a demand that there should be some way to put in some kind of mechanism, and therefore the 6th schedule could not be put because there's so many tribes. So therefore the alternative at that point in time was the ILP. Similarly in Manipur also, in the valley areas and even in the outer Manipur areas, there's no 6th schedule protection as such. So wherever this kind of situations were there, they have put in the ILP at that point in time in those areas to create the necessary, at least infrastructure or system to provide some kind of provisions for the indigenous people out there. So that is what the background of that. But in the meantime, as I said, the whole concern of this MRSSA and the Article 19 is obviously something that we have also clarified to the central government. We have mentioned that in our particular act that we put in, it is a registration, and therefore it is providing of information by the concerned citizens who are coming in. So that is not at all in any way infringing into the Article 19 of the Constitution. We have clarified also. Yeah, so that's what we have now clarified on that, and now we're waiting for the centre to reply back to our clarification. So basically, the current provisions under our Act has a provision that says that the penalty of, in terms of fine, will be put in, and about 5,000 rupees or something was there. And under the Central Act, there are provisions which even can lead to imprisonment for 1 year. So their concern was that that penalty of 5,000 is too less and it should be increased. So definitely we're examining that. Increase means increase in terms of amount also and in terms of severity also. So we'll see what can be done, but definitely we have noted down these concerns that they have. There's no question of appealing to anybody. They have to do it. It's a law. So therefore, yes, there are, wherever the cases are there, they have to do it. And if we find, that's why I've been telling everybody, if there are cases, there's nothing in this. It's a simple registration. It's a simple, policy that is there, that's to be followed, and it's being done for all angles. Because once this is done, please remember that this is actually both ways. That of course this is ensuring that registration is done, but then the benefits also under the different acts and provisions that can be given to registered labourers. So it is being done from all those angles, whether it's the ESI benefit, whether it's a benefit on even housing. There is funds under the labour cess component. which can be used once a laborer is registered. So it is being done from both aspects, in terms of the information also, plus at the same time to provide the benefits. So it is important that contractors come forward and take this seriously, and they do the registration. And obviously, as a state government, it will be our duty to ensure that we also continuously monitor this and push for the registrations being done, because that is what the law is.